Emily, we are finally at Grandma and Grandpa's village.
Wow, everything looks so green and beautiful. I like it already more than the city.
The air feels so fresh here.
Grandpa!
My sweet girl,
I missed you so much!
I missed you too. Welcome home.
Welcome home, my dear girls.
We missed you so much, Grandma.
You must be tired. Come inside and rest. The house feels warm and cozy.
After eating, I will take you to the farm.
Really, I want to see the animals.
I made your favorite homemade bread and curry.
Thank you, Grandma. I was very hungry.
Your food always tastes the best. Come back before sunset, children.
We will, Grandma. We'll be back soon.
Look at those fields, girls. A perfect harvest.
Wow, is that all ours, Grandpa?
It sure is, sweetie. Every golden stalk. Welcome to my farm. It's a beautiful day out here. These fields are growing strong this season. Let me show you around. The barn's just over there. You will love how green the crops are.
I feel close to nature here. I forgot how peaceful this place is.
Welcome back, my dears. It's so good to see you.
This is the best visit ever.
You are always welcome in our village.
Thank you, Grandma. We'll come again soon. Yes, thank you. Bye.
Come again.